Hi guys, my name is Inya.
And my name is Tuya.
Today we are making a
healthy avocado smoothie.
Indicate non-make panapodan avocado healthy smoothie.
And she's saying in Tamil and I'm saying English. And we're saying 10 good facts about avocados.
நாங்க 10 good things சொல்ல போறோம்.
நம்ம தமிழ மேலாப்ல பேசிட்டு வண்டி ஓடிக்கினா இவன் ஆழமா இறங்கி தூர் வர அளவுக்கு போய்ட்டானே.
வாங்க வீடியோக்கு போலாம்.
First, it'll make your breath smell good.
உங்களோட breath நல்லா ஸ்மெல்ல இருக்கும்.
Second, it will kill cancer cells.
Cancer cell kill பண்ணம்.
Third, it will kill liver damage.
Avocado liver damage kill பண்ணம்.
It will make your blood pressure low.
உங்களோட blood pressure low இருக்கும்.
Your eyes will be good.
கணக்கம் நல்லா.
It will make you lose weight.
If you apply avocado to your skin, it would make your skin
Fresh. No, glow.
yeah. Okay, so we're gonna ask you one question, and Tuya's gonna ask you the question.
Are you gonna buy avocados now? Yes or no?
Comment down below.
Now we're gonna make an avocado smoothie.
Okay, guys. So now we're gonna wash your hands because we're making an avocado healthy smoothie. So we're gonna cut the avocado from this side, and we're gonna just cut it like this way. Okay, now we're just gonna add any excess. Okay.
Now
And
I'll
now-
do the second part.
That's it. Alright, you always drop everything in every video. Okay, so now we're gonna put the milk.
I feel like I do everything by. You know I'm the master of pouring, but I'll let you. That's enough.
Wait. Okay, guys. So Julia had to put the avocado in. Like we said, we had to use one, but since he didn't do it properly because I don't know. But we're gonna just we're gonna use another avocado. Okay, how do we go to this? We're gonna use another avocado because. Can you just talk? Oh, just open the thing without talking. You know, Tuya's gonna cut it and then we're gonna put half of it in because we used half on this side. Oh guys, we got 2 seeds.
Like,
Take it out. Ow. I don't think we need to use that. There's like half of it in there, so. Okay. So now we're gonna blend it up. Also, we're learning how to make this because my dad drinks it every day at nighttime. My mom. Okay, open that again.
yeah, you can see. You can just
Oh, I
see all
forgot.
of it. Yeah, nice. This isn't a smoothie.
Oh, this looks good. You want to try?
Yeah, because I don't want to do everything.
You like it?
I thought you put the add sugar.
That's for optional.
Oh.
That tastes so good. That tastes so good. Good.
Yeah, it tastes so good.
Okay, guys. So
We don't like eating healthy, so we're
Yeah.
gonna give it to my dad because he always brings this.
yeah, he drinks it at night, and we made it because it looks simple. But let's go have a finishing touch because we always do this in the videos.
Oh no.
Okay, guys. You saw my brother loves it. Where do you rate this?
For parents, a 10 out of 10. For kids, a -0.
After
Can you try it?
I already tried, but my dad drank half of it. But actually, I'm not gonna drink it. So I rate this like for kids, it's a 7. It's kind of okay. 5. Okay, 5.
You're eating a bad texture.
Yeah, it's so smooth. It's so smooth.
Yeah.
Like it's chunky, but it's smooth, but it's disgusting. And we don't even like avocado, so I don't. this is actually surprising that we drink it.
I spit it out and one of my neck is so sticky now.
Okay, guys. So, எனக்கு பிடிக்கல. It is smoothie. but tuya ka pidike illa because adu nallamilla. So now indike nan velya poran to shoot upon a video because indike nallam weather because past render days snow panade, so indike nan shoot pana velya.
And she's basically saying I don't like it and he don't like it and it's good weather so we're gonna play outside. And we're doing the video outside.
Yeah, and tuya about auto translation panarad because some people abaka understand pana illa Tamil.
Now we're gonna say bye.
Bye guys.
Bye.
We hope ninga like paninga video, like paninga.
Share paninga
மறக்காம சர்ப்ரைஸ் பண்ணுங்க.
and comment below.
Yeah. We
And
hope
say if you like it or not.
yeah. Bye guys.
Bye.
Because we use one other half, so that was useless.
Oh my bad.
Oh, what happened?
I don't know.
You done? Thank you. Nope. Okay, so some people.
Hey, you're supposed to drink it, not just sip it.
That tastes so good. That tastes so good. Good.
Yeah, it tastes so good.
He doesn't even like avocado. I don't know why he
I still like it too.
cut. A big slap. Come on, open up. Open it up. Drink it. Okay. I hope you guys like the video.
Share.
I meant like the video.
Oh.
I hope you guys. Oh yeah. Okay. You like the video.